Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your phone settings for that language immersion you've been looking for, or haven't been looking for, but are still pretty interested in. Alright, let's do this. So I did forget to mention one little thing. This Spanish update is the first in a series that I'll be doing. The item on my bucket list is to learn Spanish, but that obviously can't be done in a week, or a month, or a year. At least not by me. So the series will consist of some quick updates, helpful products, and useful tips that I've learned along the way. Like the language immersion you could be getting by changing your phone settings. I think you see where I'm going with this. Also, if you're an iPhone user but you still clicked on this Android phone settings video, first off, thank you. It really means a lot to me that you're watching, despite your phone choice. Also, I left a link for you in the description for how to do this with an iPhone, but feel free to skip forward in this video past the Android phone settings tutorial. The timestamp is also in the description. Español es tan guay, ¿verdad? Verdad, 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 verdad.
Are you trying to trash talk me?
No. I'm just trying to speak a little Spanish. There are over 400 million Spanish speakers worldwide, so learning Spanish would widen the pool of people that you could talk to. Or continue not to talk to, but could if you wanted. I joke, pero en mi opinión, español es un idioma muy importante. Por amigos, por negocios, y por tu mente. Y si tienes tiempo, ¿por qué no? A propósito, si digo algo equivocado, por favor dígame en los comentarios abajo, así que puedo mejorar mi español con tu ayuda. Gracias y besitos. That is to say, language immersion is pretty important when it comes to speeding up your learning, and a great way to do that is by updating your phone, which you're on just about every waking second. Just to let you know, this setting is super simple to change back if you have a change of heart or somehow choose Japanese when you're trying to learn Norwegian. Are you sure? The languages are listed alphabetically. First, we're going to open Settings, which is the gear icon, from the pull-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, tap System, which is the icon with the eye and a circle around it. Tap Language and Input, which is the globe icon. Tap Languages, the icon with the multilingual characters. Choose Add a Language or the plus button. You'll notice that all of the non-Latin alphabet languages are way at the bottom, possibly so you don't select one by accident. But we're going to do that anyway because we play on the wild side. Let's choose Thai because maybe someday. Move it to the top of your language list so that it's the one used for as many of your phone settings as possible. Your phone will refresh pretty quickly. As you can see, the news is already in Thai. Although Thai is such a beautiful language, I'm not on that level yet, so let's go back to English. Navigate to the settings. Thankfully, everything has an icon. So again, it's the gear icon for settings, eye with a circle around it for the system, globe icon for language and input, and then the multilingual characters icon. To remove a language from this list, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Remove. Tap on the empty box beside the language you like to remove, and then tap on the rubbish bin. Or the trash can, as the Americans say it. Some of you may be like, but Mallory, I'm at such a high level that I'm ready to start using my target language instead of English for Googling things.
Well, good for you. Felicidades.
But also, here's how you can add that option on your phone. Open the Google app, Google Search. At the bottom right, tap More. Tap Settings, and then tap Language and Region to add a search language. Tap the language you want to see the search results in. In high school, we had a mandatory 3 years of Spanish, but that was a long time ago and I've since forgotten what I learned. I like learning languages though. It's fun and interesting to discover new cultures. Plus, it makes traveling a little easier. It's not needed, it's just helpful. Also, people seem to relate a little bit more when you make an attempt to speak their language. I know a bit of quite a few languages, though not fluent in any. I just know enough to get by. But this year, with so much time spent at home, I decided to learn Spanish and become as fluent as possible. I decided that in April, it's now September, and I would consider myself a native speaker.
Hi.
Well, I've made a ton of progress, that's for sure. I've learned that acquiring a language is nothing that can be done in 30 days or in 90 days, despite what's advertised. That's just a marketing tactic. It's more of a lifelong practice, and to, like any adventure, enjoy the journey. So don't forget to enjoy your journey on the way to smashing that like button, subscribing, and letting me know in the comments whether or not you've tried this phone setting. He visto muchos videos de canales españoles y dicen al final dale like y suscríbete. Gracias por mirar este video y nos vemos la próxima semana. Chao! One more thing. Do language immersion. Do it. Just do it. Nike. That's not right. That's not right at all. Prop. Prop, 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 prop. Little prop. Little proppy boo. Theo, what? Lentamente, lentamente. Eye on you. My viewer, my audience. I love you. I love you.